Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez, and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, December 8th. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller is attributing major improvements in the ease of doing business to far-reaching legislation enacted by government to support economic growth. She says the National Competitiveness Council continues to drive reforms towards making it easier to start a business, access credit, and pay taxes. The commercial court has also been strengthened to improve contract enforcement and investor protection.
The facts and data are there to show that as a government, we have made the right choices for the Jamaican economy and for the growth of businesses.
The Prime Minister was speaking recently at the 40th anniversary banquet of the Small Business Association of Jamaica. Jamaica has renewed its bilateral partnership with the Republic of Cuba for the provision of technical support to the health sector.
I hope all those Jamaicans who have benefited from this program will understand that it is part of the cooperation between two countries, two neighbors, to ensure that our people get the best health care.
Health Minister Horace Daly and Cuba's ambassador to Jamaica, His Excellency Bernardo Guante Hernandez, signed two agreements on December 3 for the cooperation to continue. One of the agreements will see Jamaica benefiting from Cuban biomedical experts. The other will facilitate ongoing support for the Ophthalmology Center at St. Joseph's Hospital to provide ongoing eye care, particularly screening and surgeries for diseases such as cataracts.
We would like to ratify our willingness to continue developing the collaboration with the brothers people of Jamaica.
The Agriculture Ministry will be issuing water tanks, fertilizers, seeds, and spray materials to farmers in St. Anne in the coming weeks. This is part of efforts to sustain production among farmers in drought-affected areas of the parish. Agriculture Minister Derek Kellier made the announcement as he toured some of the drought-affected farms recently. He indicated that with increased focus on the export market, more support would be given to agricultural production. Minister Kellier also urged farmers to step up production of the 52 food crops that had already received pre-clearance status for exportation to the United States, Europe, and other markets.
And I'll give the instructions that the RAD officers must get that list out to the farmers and every farming community.
Newly appointed political ombudsman Donna Parchment-Brown has promised to meet with key political and civic stakeholders as she charts the future impact of her office. Mrs. Parchment-Brown was speaking on Sunday during JIS TV's Issues and Answers program. She told Ian Boyne that she would be meeting with the leaders of the two main political parties and other key stakeholders of the Electoral Commission of Jamaica by year end.
What I'd like to do is sit with the Prime Minister and the leader of the parliamentary opposition individually and hear their thoughts about the office, hear their concerns about the carrying out of the political function, particularly in the party sense, the competitive sense.
Mrs. Parchment-Brown said also that the meetings would be used to emphasize adherence to the Political Code of Conduct, first signed in 2002. The new political ombudsman received her appointment on November 16, succeeding Bishop Harold Blair. The National Youth Service and Montego Bay Community College have signed a memorandum of understanding to offset tuition fees for some students. Under the agreement, needy students will receive up to $100,000. They will also be able to get a 20% reduction in tuition fees through their participation in a work-study program administered by the college. Awardees are required to maintain a grade point average of 3.0 in order to retain their scholarships. Industry State Minister Sharon Folks Abrams, who represented Youth Minister Lisa Hanna, said it was a great opportunity for students.
There will be workshops on personal development, work experience, and also you will be provided with participation in the summer projects as well.
And finally, a 3-week, $12.4 million road patching and sidewalk improvement project is scheduled to begin tomorrow in parts of the Kingston metropolitan region. The project involves the repair of 1,200 square meters of sidewalks in New Kingston and Stony Hill. The Brandon Hill Main Road in St. Andrew and the section of road between Grantspan and Golden Grove in St. Thomas will also be patched. The National Works Agency says the project is being funded by its Capital A budget and the Tourism Enhancement Fund. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thank you for watching.